Over 5,000 people die every day because of this global pandemic, the COVID-19. And therefore, we should follow the directives. We sensitize to sanitize. Let's stay home and we stay safe.
Muganda wange, baganda bange, tuswere waka. Chine chilwande, chitumalawo tubere waka. Twesiga omutonzi nga tuli waka. Amabibi kutaka emikono wagumu tubere waka.
COVID-19 nechihinze chetabu sichiri sata chiriro makauka ke corona. Katuyirinde itwe bandu, katuyirinde itwe bandu, katuyirinde.
Quarantine, sensitize to sanitize. Don't shake my hands or give my heart. We need to create space between manjo. If we follow the rules, we can control it. Wash our hands every day. Cover your mouth and nose when you cough. Let's stop the secret to save the masses. Brothers and sisters, please stay at home.
Erikola kolero mamasa kwa uleke erikolero aho mabanyoni bawo. Eritwe bitandita meirinde ulekere bitwira aho mabahenzi bawo. Obuyirinde tami ninje nawo. Tuteke mamani ute inabamaitse ne sabuni uti wambamba usihaukasanga. Lekere ambamba kwa nyindo no kwa meso no kwa buno. Tukanirinda buno bulwere. Coronavirus COVID-19. Coronavirus COVID-19. COVID-19 nechihinze chetabu sichiri sata chiriro makauka ke corona. Katuyirinde itwe bandu, katuyirinde itwe bandu, katuyirinde. COVID-19 nechihinze chetabu sichiri sata chiriro makauka ke corona. Katuyirinde itwe bandu, katuyirinde itwe bandu, katuyirinde.
Obulwede bwabiri twasira tutolere twayirinda tusiyale kitwabosi ebirayiro kwa bikabuwa tunabo kwa byalla obuli kirone litunji tuyihigite twabosi okuherera neso haga nirukwa milwalu nje nawe lihigite kye kilwere.
Ufanza uminye eritresi ati yemitinzigani symptom. Ufanza uminye iteri wano mubiri nerifundani symptom. Kobulero bukasiwa masata kabanga naunza nendesharan. Kobulero bukasiwa masata kabanga naunza nendesharan.
COVID-19 nechihinze chetabu sichiri sata chiriro makauka ke corona. Katuyirinde itwe bandu, katuyirinde
Yo, if you realize a symptom, then you need to put yourself isolation, because this will help in avoiding the rapid spread. This is a dangerous disease that we need to fight together. We need a combined effort to fight against this COVID-19, I tell you. You need to know this one.